Hi beautiful people, in this today's tutorial I'll be showing you guys how to do two-in-one Didi. Yes, two-in-one Didi. So if you really want to know how to do this lovely hairstyle, keep watching, do not skip, watch from the beginning to the end. So I'll be using this dummy hair to achieve this lovely two-in-one hairstyle. So I just portion the hair into 4 parts. After that, I secure the remaining one. Then I begin to work on the first part. As you can see, it's called two-in-one Didi. Just watch carefully and you guys will love the outcome of this two-in-one hairstyle. Welcome back to my channel once again, my returning subscribers. Thanks for always tuning into this channel. Thank you so very much. I do appreciate every one of you. And for my new subscribers, you are all welcome. Please, if you haven't subscribed to this channel, please hit subscribe button to join the family. Also turn your notification bell so that you'll be notified anytime I upload a new video. So guys, this is how I keep doing this lovely two-in-one Didi. Like, what makes this hairstyle two-in-one? So we take one, we braid it to the back like in form of shuku. Why this particular one I'm trying to session, I will also braid it on the Didi, on the first Didi, but that one is facing outside. Can you see guys? Just pay attention. It's still on the same Didi that I'm matching the second one on, so it will also look as if I'm doing it like it's just two-in-one hairstyle. Can you see guys? So after taking one to the back, you bring out another one from the parts that is remaining, then you mat it to the front. Can you just see what I'm trying to, please just manage the way I can explain, but just watch it, you guys will understand what I'm trying to explain. So you mat this particular one to the front. As you're matting it, make sure you are braiding the side very well so that it will be firm. So after braiding it, you braid the tip, then you go ahead and knot it like koroba. Yes, like baskets. Can you see? That's why it's two-in-one hairstyle. There is one at the back while the second hand comes to the front. That's what makes it two-in-one. Just watch carefully. Can you see guys? So you can also use all back to achieve this lovely hairstyle, but this particular one is Didi. So this one that you are about to do, if you want to do it, make sure you section small at the side before you do that middle Didi. So like you are parting it into 4, then you keep one at the right hand side, you keep one at the left hand side, while the middle one you mat it. Can you see the way I'm doing the Didi inside? So after matting it, the other one that you left, can you see what I'm showing you? Then you also mat it to the front. So now this is the front part that I'm trying to do. Can you see guys? So you take this one to the front while that one goes to the back. Please, if you enjoy watching this video and if this video is helpful to you guys, please share this video to your friends and family. Sharing is part of caring. Please share to your loved ones. Can you see guys? So that's how you keep going. That's how you keep going with this lovely hairstyle. Can you see guys? So you braid one to the back while you braid the other one to the front. So as you're braiding it, like as you're matting it, can you see guys? Make sure you hold it firm. Make sure you hold it firm. So I'm almost done with this lovely hairstyle. Can you see what I'm trying to show you guys? So this is the last part that I'm trying to braid, like to do the Didi. Can you see guys? So don't just mind what I'm cutting here. You know, it's not woman's hair, like it's not really human being's head. I'm using this dummy to show you guys how to do it. So let me know if you guys would love to try this hairstyle. Can you see? So as a beginner, if you're trying to do Didi, make sure you hold it firm. Hold it firm. And please, let me tell you guys, we have two types of Didi. Like some people, they'll use back of the hand to do Didi. This one, if you use the front of the hand to hold it, that's what Yoruba people call like you gbamole. Yes, you'll be able to hold it firm very well, and the Didi will not look so rough. Can you see the way I'm doing my own Didi? It's not as if I'm using the back. You can actually use the back if the hair is too long, but if you don't know how to use the front hand, using back hand will look somehow. So guys, can you see? So the second part, you are braiding it on that first Didi. Hold it firm. Yeah, can you see guys? Can you see? As a beginner, you don't need to rush yourself. Just take your time to achieve this lovely hairstyle. Can you see? And make sure you braid the tip very well so that you'll be able to knot it. And while you are trying to knot it tight to avoid it losing. And this is the final one I'm doing here. Can you see guys? So you take out small from the one you want to do Didi on, while you take small from left and small from right. Can you see? Then after that, you divide the middle one, then you braid it to the back. You first of all braid the one that goes to the back first. Yes, you braid it to the back. Just watch what I'm trying to do now. You see me turn the dummy now, so that I'll be able to, yes, can you see I've done it? So you now do the Didi to the back. So you are going to do that one that goes to the back first before you do the one that comes to the front. Can you see guys? So as you're matting it, hold it firm. Hold it firm. If you are doing Didi for the first time, don't worry if your hand is not tight very well. Keep trying. Practice makes perfect. Keep trying it. Can you see? And this is the one that goes to the front. This is the final one here. Let me know in the comment section if you guys love this hairstyle, and if you enjoy watching, please give this video a big thumbs up, share to your loved ones. Yeah, this is the final look of this lovely hairstyle. Like, I'm done, so just knot it. So you can see now that this hairstyle is 2 in 1. Just feel it yourself. See it. See the shuku part and see the basket part. Yeah, it's 2 in 1 hairstyle. So if you wish, you can go ahead and apply accessory. You can use attachment, you can use the extension to do this lovely hairstyle. And this part now, you can braid the hand and chook it inside if you really want it to look like all those Yoruba adimole very well. This is how they used to chook it inside. So thank you guys for watching. I will see you in my next video. Bye bye. I love you all. Mwah. Mwah. Queen Aniki love you all. Bye.